Now this dog is the guard dog, and when I first started coming here, he nearly bit me. But the other day I noticed he was starting to wag his tail when he saw me, and so I approached him. And this dog does bite, but I approached him, and he was all right, weren't you, boy? And if he fucking bites me, I've made a cock up. Also, Harry, because I was friendly with him the other day. Also, Harry, so that means sit down. Okay. So, also, Harry, te o agete. Baba, te boy, te onegashimasu. He's even become playful now. Yeah, boy. Because like I patted him. And it just shows you that if you like if you even to the what may seem like the most ferocious dogs, that if you're friendly with them and you show kindness, they will. Having said that, yeah, but look at that. So he's gone from like being aggressive towards me to now even being like, shy towards me. And but like I said, I keep meaning to bring him some food, but I keep forgetting. But just like dogs like these, they just just leave them there. Probably don't take them for a walk, and just that little bit of friendliness, and hey boy, come on boy. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Take with a side. Take. So Tay, he gave me a paw the other day. Tay is like his hand or his paw, and his Tay is like giving me a paw. He did the other day, but he's not. Hey boy, Tay, come on boy. Come on, boy. Come on. What's the worry? What's the worry? What's the worry? Okay, boy. Next time, I promise I'll bring you something to eat. You've been a good boy. Bye-bye.